Hi everyone, and welcome to your 10-minute core class. This is a wonderful class to pair after a run, which is what I'm doing with you guys. Just did a really hard workout on the treadmill, so now I'm gonna engage my abs a little bit, as your abs are used a lot for running, and that way it also helped me with a little bit of realignment from the running I just did. Maybe you're just getting in 10 minutes quick for your core, and that's great too. All right, so let's go ahead and lay down on your mat, on your blanket, outside, wherever you are, and let's get started. Lay down onto your back, put your hands behind your head, and we just start with some basic crunches here just to lift and lower. Good. 3, 4, 5, 6. Give me 4 more right here. 2 more, 9, and 10. Perfect. Go ahead and place your hands next to you. Align your knees at 90 degrees. I just want you to extend one leg out as far as you can. Hold it. Extend your left arm over your head. Hold it. Good. Reach your right arm forward. Pick up your head. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Put your head down. Bring your hands down next to you. Bring your right knee back in. Now extend your left leg long. Same thing. Hold. Right arm reaches over your head. Pick up your left arm. Pick up your head. Hold. 4, 3, 2. Exhale, put your head down, bring your hands down, hold it. Bring your knee back in. Good. Now just reach the heel forward and down. Exhale, bring it back in. Reach your heel forward and down. Bring it in. Good. Right. Bring it back. Left. Bring it back. Good. Draw the belly in. Right. Bring it back. Left. Good. Bring it back. Right. Heel taps. Left. Engage your core. One more time on the right. Tap your heel. Good. And then left, tap your heel. Beautiful. Exhale, legs to sky. Extend. And then you're going to reach opposite hand to opposite foot. I like to put my hands behind my head, alternating this from side to side. Good. You're here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands go down next to you. Extend your hips up, down, lower the legs, pull your knees to your chest. Reach back up. 3 more. Hips up, down, lower the legs to hover, bring the knees in. Last 2. Pick up the butt, bring it down, lower the legs, hover, bring them in. 1 more. Pick up the butt, put it down, lower the legs to hover. Good. This time pick up the head and swim. 5, 4, 3, 2. Head down, pull it in. Good. Give your knees a little squeeze. Sit on up nice and tall. Chest is up. Core is tight. Shoulders back. Extend your arms. Pick up your feet if your back feels good here. Engage your core. 5. Good. Really hold steady. Squeeze your core in tight. And then maybe reach the feet up. 3, 2, 1. Cross your shins. We'll shift ourselves into a forearm plank. Okay, so drop on down to those forearms. Exhaling as you extend your legs back. Good. All right, now engage your belly muscles here. Pull your right knee to your right armpit. Left knee to left armpit. Right to right. Left to left. Now you can do this with your knees down if you want to. Otherwise, with your knees lifted, just like this. Nice work. 1 more on each side. So let's go to the right, and then let's go to the left. Good. Hold forearm plank for 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees. Good. Now straighten your arms, shoulders over wrist. Tuck your toes under, pick up your knees, hover. 5, 4, 3, 2. Extend the legs back, plank. Good. Strong hold in plank, engage the core. 5. Lower all the way to your belly in 4, 3, 2, lower. Good. Now bring your chest up, bring your hands right next to you, and then little pulses. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Reach your arms back in 2, 1. Little pulses. 8, 7, 6. Tuck your chin. 5, 4. High plank in 3, 2. One more. 1. Ground your hands, tuck your toes, lift your knees from your quads. Ready? Push up, up, up. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2. Right knee comes in, step it back. Left knee comes in, step it back. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your knees. We'll do side plank on the left to start. So go ahead and lower your forearm down. Scissor the feet front to back. Lift up through your top arm. Good. Let's dip our hips. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. One more rep. 1. Good. Switch to the left, or excuse me, the right forearm, unless you just did the right. I did cue left though. And then pop it up. By the way, you're about halfway. Right here, stay lifted. You have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back onto your backs, okay? All right, now you're gonna lay down onto your back, relax your shoulders. If you're like me, probably still sweating if you just did your workout, maybe you're starting to get warm, this is your first form of movement. 1, 2, 3, sit all the way up. Exhale, lower down. Good, 4 more to make it 5, 2, 3, 2 more, big sit up. 4, 1 more rep, up, 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 up. 5, good, lay on your back. Now put your hands down, pull your knees in, reverse crunches with bent knees. Try to lift up just a little bit higher. We're also not adding that leg lift, so there should be no pain or tension really in any area of the body while you're doing this, okay? Which is a plus for this exercise. 5, 4, engage your core. 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna add a crunch with a reverse crunch. Hands behind your head. Ready, set, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5, 6, 7. 3 more. Come on. 8, 9, 10. Good. Release your feet down. Now, moving the left ankle, or that's the right ankle, over the left thigh. Let your right knee fall to the side. Good. Extend your right arm long over, and then we're going to take our left elbow to our knee. 8, 7, touch your knee. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more, 1. Good. Release. Switch sides. Final 2 minutes, guys. Come on. Reach it across. 2, 3. Really touch your knee. 4, 5. Come on. 6. 2 more. 7 and 8. Woo. Now, big rock up to seated. Good. Back to boat. Chest is up. Core is tight. Pick up your feet. Good. Extend your arms. Now pulse. 8, 7, 6. This is a hard one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Transitioning back. Plank. Good. Strong hold here on your palms and on your feet. Pull your knee across. step it back, pull your knee across, step it back. 8, 7, 6, I promise you're almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your plank. 5, 4, stay here. 3, 2, drop the knees. Bring the hands under the shoulders, tuck your toes. Lift your knees, bear crawl, hold and tap. 8, 7, 6, 5, lift your belly, lift your butt. 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your knees, drop your forearms. This is your finish. Pick up your knees. 10, 9, 8, 7. Good job. Stay strong. Strong 10 minutes of creative movement. 3, 2, rest. Knees come down, little child's pose to stretch back. Good. Exhale. Roll it on up. Awesome job, guys. Remember, if you want more core videos, I have a ton of those 30-day, 7-day, Get Stronger, Get Better series on my YouTube, so you can check it out under the playlist. All right, there's one titled Core, Yoga for Athletes, things like that, where you'll find a lot of other workout videos too. Thanks for joining, guys. I hope you feel stronger.